increasing and decreasing order. increasing order बढ़ता क्रम, decreasing order घटता क्रम. increasing order arranging the numbers from the small to big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at one more example. 1 is written first, followed by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Numbers keep increasing from smallest to biggest. First example 26, 23, 19, 9, 30, 27. 9 has only one digit number, so it is smallest number. Answer 9, 19, 23, 26, 27, 30. Second 41, 45, 32, 48, 21, 50, 11. Answer 11, 21, 32, 41, 45, 48, 50. Third 15, 13, 18, 16, 14, 19, 12. Answer 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19. Fourth 4, 5, 8, 7, 9, 12, 11. Answer 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. Decreasing order arranging the numbers from the big to small number. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Example 7 is written first, followed by 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Numbers keep decreasing from biggest to smallest. First 5, 3, 8, 6, 10, 9, 2. Answer 10 has a 2-digit number, so it is biggest number. Ten, 9, 8, 6, 5, 3, 2. Second 31, 30, 18, 34, 21. Answer 34, 31, 30, 21, 18. Third 421, 423, 420, 500, 501. Answer 501, 500, 423, 421, 420. प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें.